so over here we have sprouting MIDI. So this is based on, so there's an open source project called MIDI Sprout, like made by these guys called Electricity for Progress. And so I've just made my own version of this. So this is basically reading little changes in the resistance of this, actually this plant here, this bit of stinging nettle that I stuck up there because it's more interesting than the willow. But that outputs MIDI, which is going to a laptop computer running a software synthesizer, which is then converting those into sound. So all of the sounds are being controlled by changes in the plant. So the plant's actually composing, literally, the music. Sort of. So this is a similar sort of thing, but it's for those nature spirits that aren't quite as musically talented as the ones over there. So they prefer to just make sort of video game sort of sounds. But again, it's controlled by exactly the same thing, resistances and plants. But yeah, the willows are boring. That's why I stole a bit of stinging nettle for the other one. Willows have got no talent.